Mom. Danny is so frustrated that I won't sleep in the same room as him, but I can't stand his snoring. It shakes the whole bed and keeps me up all night. I sleepwalk all day. Oh dear. Your father used to snore too. Our lack of intimacy frustrated him so. He was going to move out. Dad was gonna leave you? What happened? Well, he went to his dentist for a checkup and talked about our little problem. Dr. Jaffe suggested that he try a mouthguard for snoring. He jumped on it. It was quick, inexpensive and painless. Better yet, he stopped snoring on the very first night. Our love life has been mind-blowing ever since. Wow, mind-blowing sex? You and Dad? What's Dr. Jaffe's phone number? I'm going to make an appointment for Danny today. Call Dr. Jaffe's office at 248-946-8330. I'll write it down. Dr. Jaffe's number is 248-946-8330. Right? That's it, dear. Make an appointment for Danny right now. Things will get better fast. Our love life has never been more satisfying. So dear, did Danny get his new mouthguard for snoring from Dr. Jaffe yet? He sure did. Mom. Thank you so much for your great advice. Our bed still shakes, but it's not from Danny's snoring anymore, if you know what I mean. That's what mothers are for, dear. A happy wife makes a happy husband. It also makes a happy home.